Hi, wishing you a very happy new year. Tell us what's the expectations from today and the year?
Good morning. Wishing you and all the viewers very happy new year. And we believe that the momentum will cheer the bullish sentiment of the Indian market. So talking about the index first, Nifty has been making lower top, lower bottom from last couple of weeks, and every bounce is being sold. However, the good part is that yesterday we witnessed a decent recovery. So somehow I believe that 23 250, 23 333 could act as a major support. So with that support, some recovery could be seen, but the stability will be back once the index moves beyond 23,850. So as of now, I suggest to play the trading range in between 23,333 to 23,850 zone for some bounce back move. Looking at the stocks, I'm recommending to buy on Muthoot Finance. Uh, the stock has been making high top, high bottom from last 2-3 days. In the weekly chart, the stock has given a fresh breakout and momentum looks visible for further rally. So with support of 2085, one can buy for an upside target was 2235. Apart from that, positive on the selective pharma name. So those could be on radar for this day.
Okay, in terms of trends, Chandan, what is it that you think is going to hold out? Because what we've seen is some of the banks, IT sector, they're acutely under pressure. There's clear outperformance of late from the pharma sector. Do you think this trend is going to continue, especially when it comes to IT on the downside, pharma on the upside?
Yeah, I believe this trend will continue. If we remember in last 6 to 7 week Nifty IT, which was performing, witnessed some profit booking decline led by a profit booking in Nasdaq and Dow. Nifty IT has seen a corrective move from 46,000 to 43,000 marks. But the good part is that at the same time, your selective pharma stocks started to move up. We have seen a decent run up, and most of the pharma stocks are doing well. Technically speaking, Nifty Pharma Index has surpassed its falling supply trend line and holding well above key moving averages. A small follow-up could lead them to new lifetime high territory. So positive on most of the name, including Lupin, Lotus Lab, Ipca Labs. So here I can suggest to go and buy on Glenmark with the view of better risk reward ratio. After the consolidative move of almost 32 days, the stock has surpassed the multiple barrier of 1560, 1580 marks, and supports are gradually shifting higher. It has surpassed its falling supply trend line, holding well above key moving averages. So with support of 1570, we are recommending to buy on 1685 and have positive stance in most of the pharma name, including Lupin, Lotus Lab, Ipca Labs and all.
Okay, on that note, let's also welcome Naresh Mirani on board. Naresh, hi, good morning and wishing you a very happy new year. Give us a sense of what you think is going to stay the same from 2024 into this year, and what could change in terms of index moves or sectoral moves. What's your outlook on the broader sense of what 2025 could hold for our markets?
So happy new year to everyone. So the view in terms of what could 2025 be in store is it could be more a stock specific year, because in the last 3 years we've seen sectors and everything in the sector do well. So whether it is defense or auto, everything moved as a pack. 2025 could be say lonely moves in a sector. So there could be one stock in a sector which should go up 100% and another could be down 20% also. So it could be a stock specific market rather than the sector specific, which we've seen in the last 3 years. And hopefully there are no say out of syllabus news which we've seen in the last 3-4 years. So hopefully it's a mild year in terms of news announcements.
Okay, hopefully it's going to be that. But Naresh, hi, morning, happy new year. What's the stock list like?
So happy new year, Asha. So continue to be defensive on the markets, looking at stocks with the low beta. First is the buy on Coal India, which has corrected from 500, 520 all the way down to 380 odd levels. So looks like a good place for a strong bounce back. The stock has corrected a lot and is back to the prices where it was almost a year or year and a half back almost. Stop loss at 377, target price of 420. Second is a buy on Apollo Hospitals, clearly showing relative strength. The stock is not corrected with the markets, and the sector hospitals have done well. Apollo Hospitals is very close to a breakout point. Once it sustains 7,400, it could be a breakout. So preempting a buy here, stop loss at 7,200, target price of 77.